Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is so exciting because I finally get to reveal my new Chanel bag. I'm super excited. I've had this bag sitting in my wardrobe for a month. Can you believe it? It's so crazy. When I think about it, I'm like, oh my goodness, it's been a month and I haven't opened it. Self-discipline, wow. But the reason I haven't opened the bag yet is because I wanted to film a true unboxing. But as you know, I just have so much to show you guys. I don't have time to film everything. And so that's why it took me so long to finally film this video. Here we are today. Before I get to the unboxing, I wanted to mention everything that I'm wearing today because usually I get a few questions in the comments below asking where is this from and that from. So I'm wearing this H&M Mama shirt, which I absolutely love. It also comes with a very thin belt, but I don't really like the belt. When I'm outside, if I want to look cute and girly, yes, I will put it on. But otherwise, I just love this very relaxed and oversized look of the shirt. I bought a lot of things from H&M Mama. I ordered everything online because I just know my sizing with H&M and it's the same for maternity clothes and I know how they fit me. But otherwise, I have no idea what other brands are there in Switzerland that I can buy from the maternity clothes. It's just so complicated here. We don't have a lot of options, to be honest. If you're from Switzerland, if you know any maternity brands, leave them in the comments below, please. I would love that because for now I am struggling a little bit. Another thing is this beautiful necklace. It's from Aurelia and Pierre and it's a British-based brand, London-based brand, which I absolutely love. Their jewelry is so pretty and these leather necklaces are just so cute. I will link them in the description box as well. And I guess this is everything for my look today. And now let's finally unbox this bag. It is a little bit, the box is a little bit dusty on the top here because it's been this long, but I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is the most beautiful bag in my collection. Probably the most beautiful, for sure the most beautiful. The most unique, that's 100%. I don't have anything like this. I've never had anything like this. I never thought I will have anything like this, but I'm so excited. So let's open it. I'm so nervous. And just in general, it's been such a long time since I bought a Chanel bag. So I went to Chanel because I had a pair of earrings to repair. So I got those earrings from Heathrow Airport in like beginning of 2020, right before the pandemic. I got them and I absolutely love them, wore them so much. You probably remember, I will try to post like a picture or a clip of me showing them to you guys. But recently I've noticed that a lot of the crystals fell off. I think in total it was about 7 or 8 crystals. So I wanted to bring them to the store to send to repair. And this is when I saw this bag. It wasn't planned, this purchase at all. I didn't even know this bag existed. But here what we have, this is the care booklet as well as the little cloth, and I don't need the cloth for this bag and you will see why. And here is the beautiful wrapping. Oh my god, opening a Chanel bag, it just feels so special. And I completely forgot, I wanted to take some pictures of the box, but I completely forgot and I already opened it. This is so exciting. Oh my god, I can see it. I haven't seen this bag online yet, but I've only seen one influencer posting this bag and it was Leonie. And ta-da! Okay, wait a second, let me remove the dust bag. So it's not a classic bag, but sort of is. Wow, it is so pretty. Okay, let's remove this paper. It is wrapped really nicely. The essay, she was so nice, she was so lovely, and I knew her from before, but we never really talked that much, you know. And this time she was just such a sweetheart. Oh my god, what do you guys think? Oh wow, it's beautiful. I completely forgot how beautiful this bag is. Take a closer look. It is so freaking pretty. And I cannot believe I scored this bag. I feel like this is such a unique piece that you don't really find that often in Chanel. So there was another option. It's a rectangular bag, black leather with some crystals and some sequins, but honestly it didn't look as nice at all, and the price was 15,000 Swiss francs. Oh, can you believe it? More expensive than a Birkin. Whereas this one, the price was so much better. So this bag retailed for, I guess it was 5,300, 5,200, something like that. But it was, you know, relatively inexpensive for a bag like this, since it's all sequin, which is so beautiful and unique. I also really, really love the colors of this bag. So I guess this is from the 22S collection. And the size of this bag is very similar to the size of Chanel rectangular bag. And I wanted a rectangular bag because I only have the Chanel mini square in black, and I wanted something for summer, something bright, something that I'll be able to wear with a lot of different things. And I think this bag just ticks all the boxes. It's so perfect. It has this yellow and pink and green and even black and blue, so many beautiful colors. It will even match this shirt, right? So I'm gonna try it on and show you guys. So the size difference between this bag and the mini rectangular is by, I guess, like 2 centimeters height-wise, and the length is about the same, and width, this bag is a little bit wider than the mini. So the size of this bag is even better, even though it is not considered as like a classic. To me it still is, but even prettier. It's just so beautiful. Let's open it up. And so inside we've got leather, white leather over here. The strap is also in white color, which I absolutely love. It will go with everything. And this is what the bag looks like inside. It is all satin. The inside is not leather. It has the Chanel chip, like all the new bags do. And then another Chanel plaque over here and a zip pocket. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that, but right here, the pocket, so no authenticity card. I absolutely love this bag. It doesn't hold too much, but I guess just like the mini bag does, but it's more than enough for me. The strap, I love the length of the strap. It's really good. It's not short at all, but it's not too long either, which is, in my opinion, perfect to wear as an everyday bag. Another reason I prefer this style to the classic mini flap is because, can you see? You can pull the strap and you can wear the bag on the shoulder, like so. Can you see? Like a true classic flap. How amazing. I love this option so much. So if I wanted to look dressier and more classic, I'll wear it like this with like a dress or a skirt or whatever. But if I wanted to look more casual, more like an everyday bag, then I will just use it crossbody. I couldn't be happier with this purchase. I think it is so perfect. Ticks all the boxes for me. Now, I used to buy a lot of neutral colored bags. I preferred it that way. I thought it was like a safe bet that I would always be able to wear them. They're never gonna go out of style. But now I'm just trying to add more colors to my collection, and I think it's starting to look so much better. Way more beautiful than it used to. I love the color, and this is such a stunning bag. I was a little bit worried about the sequins, but my essay reassured me that if anything happens to the bag, I can always bring it in for repair and they will do it free of charge, of course. You know, I shouldn't be too worried. Everything looks pretty good to me. And also another question was, will I be able to wear it in winter, or is it just a summer bag? She said, of course you'll be able to wear it in winter, because the sequin, it's not flat like you usually see on bags. Let me bring it closer so you can take a look. So it's not flat, but it's like a Christmas tree. Can you see it's sticking out a little bit? The sequins, they stick out on the side, and it looks like frosting or something, which will look absolutely stunning with like a lighter colored jacket to wear with a fluffy sweater or something. I will have to be a little bit more careful with fluffy sweaters and this type of bags because of the sequins. I'll keep you guys posted in the winter if I'm able to use this bag as well. And for the price, I honestly couldn't believe it. I'll post a picture once again of the other bag that I saw for 15,000, and please tell me which one's better. Isn't it crazy that this bag is only 5k? Well, only 5k compared to this one, which is 15,000. Anyway, here's my beautiful bag. I couldn't be happier with this purchase. It's so perfect, and we're also traveling to Paris very soon, so I'll be able to take it with me, just rock it there. I'm already seeing myself using this bag so much in Paris. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, if you like this type of content, if you like unboxings, luxury, fashion, then this is the place for you. Make sure to subscribe, hit the red button down below, turn on the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. It's @bonjouraika. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!